Amid every community, there beats an unyielding spirit to bring about a positive change. A spirit that drives nonprofit organizations to uplift, transform, and inspire. Guided by this pitch deck, unfold your journey with resonance and authenticity to captivate hearts and open wallets. Download and engage donors with our expertly crafted nonprofit pitch deck. Also, claim up to 15% off by clicking the link in the description. This PPT set encapsulates your organization's essence, making your story resonate. Craft an About Us slide that forges connections, conveying values with clarity. Use this PPT preset to present problems faced. Then, transition to solutions offered, showcasing your strategies with impact. Empower stakeholders to understand your mission, a roadmap to change. Present your roadmap to sustainability using this premium PPT slide. Chart a clear course for financial resilience and illustrate revenue streams and cost incurred by organization. The How It Works for Donors slide reveals how the journey to contributors for higher transparency. Transition to benefits offered to donors, showcasing the rewards of their generosity. Promote donor engagement and transform contributions into partnerships. Drive impactful change and garner support with our nonprofit Pitch Deck PPT. Download directly from the link below. Deploy this PPT layout to present the mechanics behind how it works for charities, demonstrating smooth collaboration. Complement it with benefits offered to charities, showcasing enhanced visibility and resources. This PPT design helps you present your organization's future of purpose-driven expansion. Highlight your strategic alliances to strengthen credibility, fueling your vision with support. Download PPT Toolkit for nonprofit success. Shape compelling pitches, forge partnerships, and make your mark. Get the pitch deck now.